Okay, now we're supposed to do the scanning to see what the scanner is saying about this. I'm using this ELM 327 to scan, and I'll show you. Possibly I'll see how can I post the results of the scanner on the same video, and so on. You'll see the results now for this Citroen C2. We need to find the OBD2 port where we insert this, and it is in this compartment here. From this compartment you open this thing here, you remove it, and the scanner goes in over there. It's on there. It shows you on that red thing that it is on, but the thing is you need also to switch on the what you call this, the car. It should be on, then you'll be able to